Meet Wider ERP. Transform your business operations with our integrated ERP platform that connects all departments and processes into one unified system. Home provides shortcut links for easy access to forms. Start with Masters. Set up your company, customer, vendor, and related key settings. Manage all product and related details with Catalogue management. Streamline procurement with requests, orders, and vendor management. Manage everything from quotation to invoice to sales return, all within the complete sales module. Boost customer relationships with CRM. Streamline production with production plan, job scheduling, and process flows. Keep stock in control with inventory management from stock in, stock outs with batch, serial, and its tracking. Maintain quality with QA/QC, streamline operations with job orders, and manage your team effortlessly through HRMS onboarding, attendance, payroll, and payout. ePortal enables one-click e-way bill and e-invoice generation. Stay financially on top with integrated accounting module. And make smarter decisions with analytics and reports. Thank you.